Hello and welcome. Imagine this, someone submits a form on your website, and before they even switch tabs, a voice AI system is already calling them, understanding their needs, and automatically qualifying the lead. If they are ready to talk, it checks your team's calendar and books a slot. No manual work, no delays. So, in this video, we are diving into a game changing way to supercharge your lead response. Using Retell Voice AI and n8n automations, we'll show you how to follow up with potential customers within minutes of form submission, not hours or days. It's fast, it's smart, and it's a total upgrade from your traditional follow ups. Stick around as my business partner Dhiraj walks you through and shows you how this setup can transform your sales funnel. For the resources, be sure to check out the description. Okay, for the demo, we will use lucoutinho.com, a wellness website based out of India.
So we will start off by filling in details here. So I say my name is Dhiraj Khanna. My email address is dheerajkhanna at gmail.com. My phone number, I need to provide the area code and the number. And let me just put something. My message is I have very dry skin and I'm also suffering from hair loss, and my skin gets drier in the winter months because of a hot water bath. So I don't know if they have something like this available, and I submit this. So as soon as I submit this, hopefully we'll see, there we go. So,
Awesome.
yeah, so we have this, this is coming, and now there will be a call made to my phone. Hopefully, there we go. So we're getting a call from this number. I put it on speaker. Let's see.
Hello, Dhiraj. This is a voice AI agent calling on behalf of Luke Coutinho's Holistic Healing Systems. I noticed you mentioned having very dry skin, experiencing hair loss, and that your skin gets drier in the winter months due to hot water baths. Thank you for reaching out to us. Could you please share a bit more about what you're looking for, or any specific goals you have in mind regarding your skin and hair concerns?
Yeah, I'm
This will help me
basically,
understand.
yeah. I'm basically looking at, how do I get rid of this dryness of the skin? And I think I went to the dermatologist and they said it might be eczema. I'm not very sure. But if you could, do you have any program that could help me overcome this?
Thank you for sharing that, Dhiraj Khanna. Yes, we do have a dedicated skincare program that addresses concerns like dry skin, hair loss, and even conditions such as eczema. Our
Okay.
approach is holistic and integrative. We focus on nutrition, lifestyle changes, natural remedies, and work alongside your dermatologist's recommendations if needed. Our program includes a personalized plan based on your medical history and lifestyle, guidance on nutrition, supplements if required, and natural remedies, support for managing eczema and dry skin, regular consultations, and ongoing support. Would you like to know more about how the program
Yeah,
works, the duration, or the cost?
yes, please. Can you tell
Or would
me
you like
what,
to?
yeah, can you tell me what will it cost me and how long is this program for?
Absolutely, Dhiraj Khanna. Our skincare program is available in 3 durations: 3 months, 75,000; 6 months, 150,000; 12 months, 400,000. You can
Okay.
choose between working with Luke's team or Luke's senior team, and the program includes personalized guidance, regular consultations, and ongoing support throughout your chosen duration. Would you
Okay.
like to schedule a consultation to
Yes,
discuss which option would
absolutely.
suit you best?
Yes, absolutely. Can you please book a call for me for, say, 12 o'clock tomorrow in the afternoon?
Thank you, Dhiraj Khanna. I'd be happy to help you schedule your consultation for tomorrow at 12 p.m. Could you please confirm your time zone so I can ensure the booking is made for the correct time?
Yeah, I live in New Delhi, so I guess India time.
Let me quickly check if a consultation slot is available for you tomorrow at 12 p.m. IST. Dhiraj Khanna, a slot is available for tomorrow at 12 p.m. IST. Should I go ahead and book this consultation for you?
Hallelujah. Yes, please. Thank you.
Your consultation for tomorrow at 12 p.m. IST. Dhiraj Khanna, you'll receive a confirmation soon. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that'll be all. Thank you so much.
Let's dive into how voice AI like Retell, coupled with an automation platform like n8n makes speed your ultimate edge. All right, this is Retell AI, which is a voice AI platform very similar to Vapi or 11 Labs if you're familiar with those, but I think Retell AI definitely has a few advantages that we shall be looking at over this demo. So for this demo, what we're trying to do is essentially address the problem of how to reach to our customers faster as soon as they finish filling up a form on our website. So for this, we'll be looking at Luke Coutinho's website. Luke does some fantastic work, by the way. I think you should check out his website where they offer wellness programs and holistic systems. So what happens is that, somebody could come up to this site and wants to enroll for a program, clicks on this, and then looks at all these different programs that are there, and now wants some further information, and he can just click on this, get in touch, fills a form, gives his name, his email, his phone number, and his message, and submits a request. Now, typically these could be addressed between 24 to 48 hours, sometimes even immediately. But I think the need of the hour, and this is based on a research done by HubSpot, I think they're looking at under 10 minutes as the time period in which they wish to reach out to the customer, because then the probability of that customer converting increases quite a bit. So I think that is something that can easily be handled through a voice AI agent like Retell, and so the voice agent can just go and based on the information that the user has left here, is able to call up the potential client and then find out more and firstly qualify whether this is a suitable lead or not, and in case it's a suitable lead, then schedule a call with the person, and then a human being takes over. So that's the kind of workflow that we're looking at, and we will be achieving that through n8n, which is a great automation platform. And first I'll show you what we have here and how we're kind of building the voice AI. And I've already kind of built it, and all the resources for the system prompts and other function calls that we're doing, all that is available in our school community, and likewise for the 4 different kinds of n8n automations that we shall look at. So first and foremost, let me just jump in here. This is Retell AI, and you can create an agent very easily by clicking on this. So I've used a single prompt agent, and I think this is where Retell really shines, because you have conversational flow agents, you have multi-prompt agents, and custom LLMs. But for the time being, we're just looking at a single prompt agent. So this is my LCHHS lead qualifier. If we just go inside this, we have a custom prompt over here that we'll share. It's already available in our school community. But essentially what this does is it initiates a conversation based on the message that has been left by the user in the form. And based on the conversation that the agent has with the human being, it's able to qualify whether this is a lead worth spending time on, or this is just a waste of time. And in case the AI finds that this is worthwhile, then it will try to schedule a consultation call. Also takes into account the time zone, which is very important because they have clients all over the world, so it's important to schedule the call accordingly. And so it also checks if there are any open slots based on the user's requested time, and in case there are, it schedules a call. If not, it suggests different slots for that same around the time that the user has requested. And that's pretty much it. And in the end, it closes the call. So it's also been given 3 functions for ending the call, for booking the call, for getting open slots. And ending the call is a built-in function. Getting open slots is we're using a webhook to send this information and then figure out this is an n8n webhook that we will be looking at. and of course there's this JSON schema in which we must it's kind of like a structured output that we're looking at. So we're saying that there'll be a requested date, this will be in ISO 8601 format, and so on. All these are, no worry, available in our school community. And similarly, for booking a call, we have this JSON schema available here, and the webhook that we're kind of hitting. End call is a built-in call. Now, most importantly, for all these different programs that Loop runs here, we've established a knowledge base, which is essentially all the 119 different programs that are being offered in Markdown format. For this, we have used Firecrawl to get the data of the website and all the information that's there. And this typically looks something like this, so we have all these different Markdown files, and, we could just maybe have a look at what this looks like. I'll just open this in Cursor. I'll just make this a little bigger so you can see that this is the gut care program. It also has the cost available and what is this program about, and all this acts like the knowledge base for our agent, and it is able to then answer any queries that the user might have. So essentially all these are fed into our knowledge base, and the voice agent is well equipped with all this information. That's as far as the knowledge base goes. Then there are certain speech settings that I'm not going to get into in this call, but you can watch our other videos where we'll explain this, or hop into our school community and where we do live builds and you can see what's going on. We also have the model that we're using is GPT-4o, which is probably one of the best ones going on right now. And you can also see GPT 4.1 has come out. This is as of today, which is the 16th of April 2025. So Retell AI is also very, very agile in terms of incorporating new models. So this is really good to see. We can use different voices from different platforms such as 11 Labs, PlayHT, or OpenAI. I'm using currently one from OpenAI, but you can, on sites like 11 Labs, you can have your own custom voice, which is already there in 11 Labs, or you can even, add your own audio clip over here and train it according to that. So accents and, Indian accent or Spanish accent or whichever way, it should not be a problem. Right now, we're just going with Fable. Yeah, that's pretty much it as far as this is concerned. Of course, you will need numbers. Now, unfortunately, in India, we do not have the luxury of having Indian numbers because of the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India and its regulations. But we can use, any other number. For example, this is an American number that we're using for this purpose. So this is as far as Retell AI is concerned. Now we have different automations here.
Just a quick note. I hope you're finding this video helpful, and if you are, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Also, I firmly believe that AI automation can be transformative for many businesses. So on this channel, my goal is to create many more videos where I show you step by step how to use AI to automate business workflows and processes to boost your productivity. So if you are interested in this kind of content, hit the subscribe button so you never miss out when I post a new video. If you are new to AI and automation, we run an AI accelerator on School, where we teach you how to start an AI agency or grow your business using AI and automation. The best part is you get step-by-step guidance, access to all the resources, and a community of like-minded people ready to help you. It'll cut your learning curve in half. Also, we are a full-service AI agency, so if you need help creating a voice AI agent like this for your business or want to discuss any other AI project, feel free to schedule an AI consultation call with us. I'll leave all the links in the description. Okay, let's get back to our video.
So for example, this is, we submit a form, this is which will populate a Google sheet, And as soon as that happens, it'll trigger this. As soon as a new row is entered, it's going to trigger a call to the voice agent. So this is happening through the API for creating a phone call, and the entire documentation is available here. And of course, we'll be covering this in our school community. So this is the one where we send a post request, and in the post request we have to send authorization and the bearer key. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then of course there are certain fields that must be provided: the from number, the to number, and this is all listed here. The required fields are the to number, the from number, and then we're adding all the other stuff from our custom functions in the Retell LLM dynamic variables. So these all contain our values such as the username, the user message, the user email, and so on. So that's how you're making a call. So as soon as a new row is added in a table like this, which gets automatically populated from a form, it's going to trigger this automation. Now in that automation, if you recall what we discussed, when we want to check for whether there's an open slot available, there's another automation which hits a webhook, and that webhook checks the Google Calendar and sees whether we have the availability for an open slot, and the time is coming from the webhook where the user says that, okay, I'm looking at a slot for 10 a.m. tomorrow or something like that, and based on that it's able to check for availability. Of course, we're using some custom code here so that we are able to the date will come in a string format, but we need it in a date format. So this is just some custom code which is going to convert the string into a date format. And why are we doing that? Well, because we're looking at the start date time. That's what the user gives us, and every consultation call is for approximately half an hour. So we need an end date time, and that's what we search for in the Google Calendar. And in case it's available, then we move to the last automation, which is essentially again a webhook which creates that event or books that slot in case that slot is available. Okay, great. So let's just give this a shot. Also remember that this Google Sheet gets triggered every minute, or you could define it. So this is where you kind of cut down that time required to reach out to the customer. We could make it a little realistic by giving it a custom cron expression where it's running every 5 minutes or so. At the moment, let's just leave it at every minute. In fact, I'm going to test this workflow so that it triggers. And first, let's just fill up the form. So when we fill this form, I'm going to test this workflow. It's going to open this form, and I'm going to enter my details. I must put a area code, so +91, and my message here. So let's see.
I have very dry skin, and I'm also suffering from hair loss, and my skin gets drier in the winter months because of a hot water bath. So I don't know if they have something like this available, and I submit this. So as soon as I submit this, hopefully we'll see, there we go.
Awesome.
Yeah, so we have this, this is coming, and now there will be a call made to my phone. Hopefully, there we go. So we're getting a call from this number. I put it on speaker. Let's see.
Hello, Dhiraj. This is a voice AI agent calling on behalf of Luke Coutinho's Holistic Healing Systems. I noticed you mentioned having very dry skin, experiencing hair loss, and that your skin gets drier in the winter months due to hot water baths. Thank you for reaching out to us. Could you please share a bit more about what you're looking for, or any specific goals you have in mind regarding your skin and hair concerns?
Yeah, I'm
This will help me
basically,
understand.
yeah. I'm basically looking at, how do I get rid of this dryness of the skin? And I think I went to the dermatologist and they said it might be eczema. I'm not very sure. But if you could, do you have any program that could help me overcome this?
Thank you for sharing that, Dhiraj Khanna. Yes, we do have a dedicated skincare program that addresses concerns like dry skin, hair loss, and even conditions such as eczema. Our
Okay.
approach is holistic and integrative. We focus on nutrition, lifestyle changes, natural remedies, and work alongside your dermatologist's recommendations if needed. Our program includes a personalized plan based on your medical history and lifestyle, guidance on nutrition, supplements if required, and natural remedies, support for managing eczema and dry skin, regular consultations, and ongoing support. Would you like to know more about how the program
Yeah,
works, the duration, or the cost?
yes, please. Can you tell
Would
me
you like
what,
to?
yeah, can you tell me what will it cost me and how long is this program for?
Absolutely, Dhiraj Khanna. Our skincare program is available in 3 durations: 3 months, 75,000; 6 months, 150,000; 12 months, 400,000. You can
Okay.
choose between working with Luke's team or Luke's senior team, and the program includes personalized guidance, regular consultations, and ongoing support throughout your chosen duration. Would you
Okay.
like to schedule a consultation to
Yes,
discuss which option would
absolutely.
suit you best?
Yes, absolutely. Can you please book a call for me for, say, 12 o'clock tomorrow in the afternoon?
Thank you, Dhiraj Khanna. I'd be happy to help you schedule your consultation for tomorrow at 12 p.m. Could you please confirm your time zone so I can ensure the booking is made for the correct time?
Yeah, I live in New Delhi, so I guess India time.
Let me quickly check if a consultation slot is available for you tomorrow at 12 p.m. IST. Dhiraj Khanna, a slot is available for tomorrow at 12 p.m. IST. Should I go ahead and book this consultation for you?
Hallelujah. Yes, please. Thank you.
Book your consultation for tomorrow at 12 p.m. IST. Dhiraj Khanna, you'll receive a confirmation soon. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that'll be all. Thank you so much.
So that's it. That was the call, and you can see that it has booked it here for us. So it also tells you what is the description, and it gives you a little bit of a summary discussing dry skin, hair loss, and winter skincare concerns. Picks up my email ID, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is how you kind of do this, and of course we will be breaking down each and every code block in our school community, so please feel free to jump right in. Hope to see you there soon.
And there you have it, Retell AI and n8n, the ultimate wingman for your business. With n8n automations, it's catching leads, it's qualifying them, and scheduling calls faster than you can say demo closed. This isn't just tech, it's a revolution on how you connect with your customers. Also, we are a full service AI agency. So if you need help creating a a voice AI agent for your business or want to discuss any other AI or automation project, feel free to schedule an AI consultation call with us. I'll include all the links in the description. Finally, I highly recommend checking out the Voice AI playlist where I cover a lot of Voice AI use cases in detail. Or you can watch another video that I'm sure you'll find very useful. I can't wait to see you in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.